Good, sir. Yeah, just videotaping the fire truck.
Okay, very cool. Everything okay?
Yeah. Every time I come back from Venice, every time, truck lights up and pulls out in front of me. I'm a big time exposing child trafficking in the judicial system and law enforcement and on it. And they've got Freemasons planted everywhere to try to menace me and come out and pull in front of me every single time I pass by that fire department. They wait till I get just about there, they put the lights on, they pull out in front of me. I was just seeing if there's a real emergency. Third time. So where are the where's the patients? Where's the people who are injured? Where's the fire?
No, we were investigating the smell of smoke.
Investigating the smell of smoke.
Yeah.
Okay.
Someone called 911. We're investigating the smoke.
Okay.
No conspiracy.
That's the story. Okay.
Doing our job.
No, well, you just about wrecked into me 3 times now, 3 weeks in a row, pulling out of there. You know, there's no reason for reckless driving. It's a typical gang stalking tactic. Very typical. And they've got their minions. Their minions are embedded deep in the fire department and police department. I'm not saying you are.
No, we're absolutely not.
Okay, I'm not saying you are.
Okay.
Well, you can't speak for them. You can speak for you.
Oh, I can speak for them.
Oh, okay. You follow them home?
These guys in my life.
24/7? Know them?
Yeah, I was just actually
Okay. No, there's no need for a conversation. You're well. Yeah, everything's okay with me. I'm going to keep exposing the pedophiles, and I'm bringing down child traffickers. Sorry, but I know you think you're doing good, and I know you think that. Yeah, I know you're getting paid. Then you're not exactly saints. You're getting paid, right? I worked in the emergency room for 20 years, and I don't consider myself. I don't get lost in those TV shows. Don't get lost in those TV shows. Don't think too highly. You're not a movie star. Yeah. I'm bringing down the Freemasonic pedophiles. The Freemasonic pedophiles are coming down. Child trafficking ain't happening on my watch. Okay, whatever. Baby rape don't fly in this county, not with me here. Number 5 county in the nation for trafficking children. They own the cops, they own the judges, they own the fire department. Number 5 county in the nation for trafficking children. Okay, then just leave me alone. I'm standing by my vehicle, minding my business. Okay, yeah, everything's fine. Yeah, once we get all these pedophiles arrested, everything's going to be duck. And once they stop using the judicial system, the police force, and the fire department to harass people who are stopping the pedophiles, we're going to all be ducked. And it's just a big coincidence. So why don't you guys go take your coincidental selves out of my sight, okay? It's all just coincidence. You damn near wrecked my truck with that fire truck, number 14, 3 weeks in a row, every time I'm visiting my children. 3 weeks in a row. It's all coincidence, I know. And you wouldn't have anything to do with Freemasonic, Luciferian pedophilia. I know. You're innocent, upstanding, good men. And the Freemasons just take good men and make good pedophiles out of them.
You have a good night.
Yeah, you guys ought to fly.